was sponsored by Chalk of the Town.
Hey guys! I'm Yumi.
I'm Sachi.
I'm Kimmy. And I'm Kento.
And today we're going to be doing a super awesome drawing challenge with the Chalk of the Town drawing t-shirts. So in a kit, you get one super soft t-shirt, you get stencils, you get some chalk markers, and a cloth to clean it off once you're done.
And here are the chalk markers. They're super bright, and when you draw with them, and once they dry and stuff, they don't smudge, which is super nice. And if you guys decide you want to do it over again and stuff, there's a cloth that comes with it. Put some water on it, and then bam, you can start over.
And put it in the washing machine so then it was clean. It will be clean.
For ages 4 and up. You can buy it at chalktshirt.com or on Amazon.
Also, guys, we decided to try these out for ourselves. Bam! And here are some things we made.
So these are perfect for our parties, holidays, and school events.
Ready to start the drawing challenge?
Yeah!
Blindfolds on. Nobody can see. Just
Yeah,
testing. Okay, so you guys have 1 minute to draw a cat. Ready? 3,
Oh, wait, where's the heart?
2, 1, go! Alright guys, time's up, pen's up. You can take your blindfolds off.
Oh my gosh, no. Oh! What is this? No, that's not cool. What?
What? These look actually good.
How?
What is mine?
Were you guys looking?
Look at mine.
Okay, I'm
my
not. Mine looks.
I
Looks
made a
like an
mistake with
alien
the
whose
face
eyes
shape.
are popping out of
Look
his
at
head.
mine, Yumi.
I made
What
a mistake with the head.
Alright guys, so we finished drawing. Make sure to comment down below who you guys think drew the best cat or cats. Team Panda.
Team Dino. Team Bunny.
Or Team Unicorn. Honestly, mine kind of looks like an alien though. So.
Mine looks terrifying. I don't even know what this is. This isn't a cat.
It looks like it
It looks wrong.
weird.
It looks like a weird
Can we have
bearded
fun?
dental cat.
Mine
What?
has a face that isn't connected. Kimmy,
Why
yours
would
has
eyes are
a
coming off of
head.
his head?
You don't
I
have
think
one
that's
head, you
normal.
have a ton of-
So that was super awesome. I also did a drawing challenge with the creator of Chalk of the Town. Alright, so we're at New York Toy Fair and I'm here with the creator, Sandra, of Chalk of the Town. So we're going to be doing a New York drawing challenge. So we're going to draw New York icons on the shirt. Alright guys, so make sure to comment down below and vote who you think did better on their New York theme shirt right here. Or vote me, vote me!
And as you guys can see, you don't have to be an amazing artist to design your shirt. You can have fun with it and make it into a challenge at like slumber parties or just a fun craft.
So if you guys like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Bye!